Hello and welcome to LEKApatterns tutorial on summer pants or shorts. The pattern you can get at our online shop. There is also available the shirt you see in this video. The direct links you can find below the video. The measurements for shorts you can find together with the pattern. Place top side and underside on each other, with sides inside. Pin the side seam side and join them together. Pin together in seam side and join together. Out one of the legs and put it inside another one. Match and pin the main points of front and back rises. Sew along. Waistband. Join the ends together, fold in half along, pin the waistband to the pants. The joining seam of the waistband matches the back rise seam. Leave a gap at the waistband for the elastic band. Sew along the waistband. Run through the elastic band. Stretch the elastic band inside the waistband so that it would be even along the waistband and would not break later. I recommend using a bit more elastic band so that before sewing you can try if it is enough length. Join the ends of the elastic band. Fix the gap of the waistband. Stretch once again the elastic band and make it even all along. Fix the elastic band at the sides. Fold 1.5 cm at the leg bottom opening. Pin the fold and try the pants just to be sure that the length is good enough. Sew along. If you use an elastic fabric, I would recommend sewing with a double needle. The pants are ready to be worn. With the same pattern you can make also shorts. Subscribe our channel and share your sewings with us.